Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jobs for Hire, and this is HRM class 7. I'm gonna to teach you for BBA and MBA students. So today's topic is compensation and salary management. So this is the process of financial and non-financial rewards will be given to the employees in the return of their work. So for their work, they will get financial and non-financial rewards. So there are two types: direct compensation, indirect compensation. Direct compensation means employees directly gets the compensation by the company, which means like salary, commission, wages, bonus, incentives. Indirect compensation means the company provides the employee life and well-being in the benefits, which like PF, ESI, health insurance, paid leave, work from home, canteen, transport, sometimes accommodation also will be provided by the company. Let's talk about objectives of compensation management. It attracts talented employees, retain employees, which means like avoid resignation, fair pay for their work, motivation and performance. Good employer has employee relationship. So now let's talk about real time HR example. For suppose hire a HR executive offers 12,000 per month. So the candidates will not join on this range of salary. So how they will join? If a company provides 25k, which means 25,000 per month plus PF plus paid leaves, so definitely the candidate will apply and stay long time. So which means good compensation attracts and retains talent. So let's have a look for factors affecting salary. Here is a factor and let's see the explanation. So first one, skill level. Skill level means a higher skill gets paid in higher salary. Experience, more experience pay high. High pays will be provided for the more experience, which related to the entry level positions. Industry standard, so there will be some difference between IT industry and manufacturing industry in the salary. Location, metropolitan cities pays more. Companies budget, big companies pay better. Thanks for watching. If this information is useful to you, please do like, share, subscribe for Jobs for Hire. Bye bye.